Mazda infotainment systems in 2017-2023 models sometimes get stuck in a factory reset loop, where the system repeatedly reboots or reverts to default settings. This is often due to software glitches or hardware faults in the car multimedia unit. First, attempt software fixes. Use the Mazda app or visit a dealership for an over-the-air update to reinstall the operating system. A full factory reset via the system's menu can also help, but back up your data first. If software fixes don't work, hardware checks are necessary. Inspect for loose connections, faulty fuses, or battery voltage drops. The ideal battery voltage range is 12.6 to 12.8 volts. For persistent issues, dealerships can use Mazda's integrated diagnostic software to scan for error codes. Replacing the CMU may be necessary in cases of hardware failure, costing $800 to $1,200. To prevent reset loops, keep your system updated, avoid third-party apps, and maintain good battery health. Mazda is shifting towards cloud-integrated infotainment with Android Automotive OS in newer models, reducing reliance on older CMU hardware. The future involves more robust OTA updates and AI-driven diagnostics to predict failures. While user-driven firmware mods exist, Mazda discourages them due to warranty risks. Aim for regular updates through official channels to avoid issues.